Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The best thing we can do for this one, that is about factorization. So we have ask, so we can do about factorization by ask. Y, we can do another factorization by y. Next, I will put ds gone here, y and 3 plus y square go to the right. So that should be like this if we move everything in here. And this one, y will go to here, 3 plus y square will go to the denominator. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, about this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus s squared. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. This one we have to ask because the constant with first derivative you got 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 2 because we don't have number 2 next to ask in here. So we have ask ds. This one we change by u. Ask ds we change by this one. The integration of du over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now, the integration of this one in here, that is about this one. The integration in here, we apply same formula in here, and we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 3 plus y squared. Now we have the conditions. So when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 3, so I will put number 1 gone here, number 3 gone here, to find the value of c. And now if we simplify, c equals to, I will put this one go to the right, and we have 1 over 2 ln of number 12 minus ln of number 2. So we have the formula of this one. Ln a minus ln b equals to ln of a over b. So if we apply this one, we have ln of number 12 divided by number 2 equals to 1 over 2 ln of number 6. And now we go back in here. So I will put c equals to this one gone here. Now we simplify 1 over 2 for the both sides. Next, I will put e for the both sides. So that should be like this. Now we have the formula in here. E to the power of ln8 equals to capital A. So this one we have like this. And now if we simplify, we have like this. We know that x squared and y squared, they always provide the positive number, so we can cancel the absolute value. And now we just have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.